So you just picked up the brand new Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold, or maybe you're planning to. Either way, you already know one thing: this foldable beauty needs protection. With that hinge, the dual screens, and a design that isn't exactly cheap to repair, having the right case is more than just a style choice, it's peace of mind. Today, I'm breaking down 7 of the best cases you can get for the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, each offering something unique, whether it's sleek minimalism, rugged durability, or smart functionality. Let's jump in. If you like showing off your Pixel 10 Pro Fold's sleek design without hiding it under bulky plastic, the Ghostek Covert Clear is an awesome pick. This case is all about protection in disguise. It's transparent, slim, and flexible, but don't let that fool you. Ghostek reinforced the corners with shock-absorbing bumpers to handle accidental drops. The grip texture also helps keep it from sliding out of your hand, which is crucial with a phone this large. Another nice touch is the raised bezels around both the front display and the cameras, so scratches won't be an issue when you place it on a table. Lightweight, protective, and clean. It's a great choice if you want protection without sacrificing the Pixel's premium look. Now, if hinge protection is your top concern, Spigen Slim Armor Pro is one of the best in the game. Spigen designed this case specifically to shield the Pixel Fold's most vulnerable area, the hinge, while keeping the phone's folding motion smooth and reliable. It uses air cushion technology for shock absorption, giving you confidence against drops, and the slim profile makes it pocket-friendly. What sets this version apart is the MagFit compatibility, meaning it works with magnetic accessories like MagSafe-style chargers and mounts, which isn't common for foldable cases. Plus, Spigen's build quality has a strong reputation. You're getting a case that feels premium and durable at the same time. If you want a case that gives you full-on hinge protection without looking bulky, this is one you should definitely consider. Urban Armor Gear, or UAG, is known for making rugged gear, and the Mouve is their stylish take for the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. It has that military drop-tested certification, so it's built tough, but it doesn't scream rugged case. Instead, the Mouve line focuses on a sleek, transparent design with a hint of color tint, so you get durability without losing the phone's modern aesthetic. The case keeps the hinge open for smoother folding and less bulk, and the rubberized edges improve grip so it won't slip out of your hand, which is crucial with a phone this large. Another nice touch is the raised bezels around both the front display and the cameras, so scratches won't be an issue when you place it on a table. Lightweight, protective, and clean. It's a great choice if you want protection without sacrificing the Pixel's premium look. Otterbox is a name that instantly comes to mind when people think protection. With the Thin Flex, they've taken their classic durability and applied it to the Pixel 10 Pro Fold's unique design. This case comes in 2 pieces that snap securely around the device, giving it a snug fit while still allowing smooth folding. The Thin Flex is slim, pocketable, and surprisingly lightweight for an Otterbox case, but it doesn't skimp on durability. It's drop-tested to military standards, and the raised bezels around the hinge, screen, and camera bump give it all-around protection. On top of that, Otterbox adds an antimicrobial coating which helps resist surface bacteria. If you're someone who wants proven, no-nonsense durability from a brand trusted for years, the Thin Flex is a very reliable pick. Now, for the minimalists out there, Thinborne has something special, the 600D case. It's made from aramid fiber, which is an extremely strong yet lightweight material often used in aerospace and military gear. The result? A case that's feather-light, ultra-slim, and still surprisingly tough. The Thinborne 600D doesn't add much bulk at all. It almost feels like your Pixel Fold is wearing a second skin. It has a subtle matte texture for grip, and the precision cutouts give it a clean, modern look. This isn't the case for someone who wants rugged armor, but if you're looking for premium minimalism that highlights the design of your Pixel while giving it scratch and bump protection, the Thinborne 600D nails that balance. If you like versatility, the VEGO Case brings something different to the table. It's not just a protective shell. It comes with a built-in kickstand, which is super handy for a foldable phone. Whether you're watching videos, video calling, or using the Pixel in tabletop mode, that kickstand adds a layer of convenience. Protection-wise, the VEGO Case offers shock-absorbent corners, raised edges, and precise cutouts to keep the folding mechanism working smoothly. It's also designed with a slim profile, so even with the kickstand, it doesn't feel too bulky. This one's perfect for someone who wants a bit of extra functionality in their case without sacrificing daily usability. Finally, we've got the Miimall Slim Case, one of the most affordable options on the list, but still worth checking out. It's slim, lightweight, and gives your Pixel 10 Pro Fold scratch and drop protection without adding much bulk. The Miimall case has a clean, straightforward design with precise cutouts so the hinge and folding action remains smooth. The matte finish helps with grip and keeps fingerprints to a minimum, which is always nice. It's not the most rugged case here, but if you're looking for a simple, budget-friendly way to keep your Pixel safe from everyday wear and tear, the Miimall Slim Case gets the job done. So there you have it, 7 of the best cases you can grab right now for the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Which one would you go for? Drop your pick in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss upcoming videos like this.